Every week I clean my refrigerator out before I go shopping. That way I know what I need and what I already have still left over from last week. It saves money in the long run because I'm not buying something I already have or I don't need. And as you can see, I have quite a bit to clean out and reorganize and clean. It is a lot quicker now that I'm doing it every week, but I'm sure it's saving me anywhere between $10 and $20 on my grocery bill because I'm not buying something I already own and have. I'm only buying what I need or what I'm really low on. So I think this is a really good practice and I think it's really helping me. I'm trying little by little to change my lifestyle, make it where I can make it. And the only thing that I really had to have is that bologna. As you can see, I only had a couple slices left and I had plenty of everything else. Don't need to buy much at all. And I always try to have as much fresh fruit for my husband for he can just eat. And as you can see, he didn't eat too much this week. And I thought we did pretty good at getting it all cleaned out. And there's a lot of things that take up space. And then the food that I've cooked and we haven't eaten, hate to say it, I wasted some and it's going to have to get thrown out. We don't want to let food set too long in the refrigerator. So, what do you think of the practice of cleaning out the refrigerator every week before going shopping? I think it really saved me a lot and it's getting me to get more organized. And look, I found another honey ham. I have two now. I don't need to buy that either. Plenty of rice and, of course, plenty of cheese. Thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I did and how I cleaned out my refrigerator. It looks wonderful and is ready to put everything back in and go shopping for groceries for the week. I think this practice is really one of the things that I'm the most proud of that I've actually started doing. And the more you do it, the easier it's going to get because then it becomes a good habit instead of a bad habit. Instead of a bad habit letting things go moldy in my refrigerator, it's cleaned out every week. I think this is a great practice. What do you think? Thank you all for stopping by, my dear friends.